Mr. O, Mr. O, ask your questions to Mr. O.
Welcome to the second episode of the third season, people! My first question comes from Charlie Tudor 92. Their question is, Mr. O, if you could have a fantasy who would it be and why? What? Are you out of your damn mind? Why would I have a fantasy when I could get all the I want on the streets?
There's no celebrity that you would just prefer to There's no one that you're just
I would them all!
all men and women.
No, not the women,
You
obviously.
said all.
Okay, all men. Except the ugly ones.
I thought you liked women.
And the fat ones. If I had to pick somebody, it'd be Drew Roy.
Who's that?
None of your damn business.
I'm gonna Google this.
Oh, it is from Falling Skies, you doof. My favorite new show on Sci-Fi. No, TNT.
Get your facts right, Steve.
Now you get your facts right, you nosy hyena. Our next question comes from Mr. Mikey M56. Are you really 56 years old? You're over the hill, you're a grandpa with your gray hair and
That is not nice at all, Steve.
Why? His question is Mr. O an overbearing personality, and does he control your life? For real, I am Mr. O, so I don't get the point of your question.
You know, your other personality, Steve-O, does he ever feel like...
What other personality?
Steve-O.
No, he's a person! So you get your facts straight, you nosy hyena! This question comes from Mark Gajette Go! So stupid. I think what you meant to say was, on your marks, get set, go! Is that what you meant? Because that name is foolishly stupid. Their question is, if you two had never met, what do you think you would be doing right now? I don't even get the question.
If you had never met me, what would you be doing?
Well, then why did they just say that? If you two, it sounds like two. Like, what? Why don't you insert a name?
There's only two of us on this show. What do you
You could have been talking about if I haven't met YouTube, so get it straight.
I just thought, you know, common sense.
Because you think that you have common sense? You don't have common sense. Common sense doesn't run in your family.
Whoa, what does that mean?
That means you are a retard.
I'll cut you.
Ah! You cut me! Ah, I will stab you with a horse! What would I be doing right now? Well, you know the huge. Working, writing my novel, writing my election to become the President of the United States.
You would be doing that if you haven't met me?
Yes, I would be writing my speech.
So you're saying I'm holding you back?
Yes, you are! Moving on to the next question. Our next question comes from Gulf South Media Cervic. What the heck? Their question is, how did you meet Shane Dawson? I was forced. Actually, it's kind of a funny story. I never, knew what the heck YouTube was, I just thought it was a stupid thing people stupidly do when they have too much free time. So I was hanging out with Chris one day, and he forced me to watch these videos, and I was like, are you absolutely serious? This is retarded. I don't want to watch videos when we could do something better. And of course, now he made me watch episodes, and how one of them happened to be Shane Dawson, and actually it was really pretty amazing. And then I fell in love with him. I met him at VidCon, and it was amazing. And then, yeah, does Chris have a channel? He wishes.
I do.
What?
I have two.
Fish hockey.
Steve-O, you know I've had channels longer than you've had your channel.
Oh, I don't give a shit. If you had 69 channels, does it mean that you take precedence over me?
I'm not trying to. The question is, do I have a channel? The answer is yes.
I don't want to share that with the world because this is my show and I can do whatever I damn well please.
Well, I'm editing it, and here's the link to my channel. Click right here to go to my iPhone channel. Click right here to go to my vlog channel.
You are rude, and overbearing, and nosy, and a hyena. Our next question comes from The Awesome Killer. Have you killed before? And if so, tell me about it in a short novel that I can turn into a movie.
Why can't they just leave you a comment?
Because I wanted to write a novel so I could turn it into a movie. Because that sounds like a name for an amazing movie. The Awesome Killer. Their question is, are they both really gay? Yes, we are gay. I'm gay, Chris is gay, and his boyfriend, well, he's kind of hard to tell if he's gay.
What does that mean?
It means what it means. And his boyfriend is gay. I'm still single. Hit me up. The next question comes from XX Miss Patton's son XX. Their question is, Mr. O, what kind of underwear do you wear? None.
You go commando under those jeans?
Yeah, let me just show
No,
you.
no, Steve-O, whoa.
Why not?
Whoa. Keep the pants on, please.
Why not?
I don't want to see that, Steve-O.
Actually, I wear briefs. If you would have let me get there, you would have seen them!
You wear briefs like grandpa briefs? Or
No, boxer briefs! Let me just show you!
No, Steve-O!
Our next question comes from Andrea McNutt. Their question is, if you could be a certain age for the rest of your life, how old would you be and why? I would be 25 forever. So I like being 25. Such a dignified age.
Why?
Because you're not too young and you're not too old. You're in the middle. You're halfway to 50. Our next question comes from girl with a broken smile. Did you get your jaw fixed yet? Did you put in those little hinges? Like door hinges? So they go,
I'm telling you, I don't think her smile is really broken. I think it's just a name, Steve-O.
But what did you know? Their question is, what is it like having so many new subscribers? It's just like it was before. I mean, I already had a lot before. Now I just have a lot more.
You did not have a lot.
Yes, I did! I had at least 1,000.
You had less than 400.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Less than 400.
Yes.
Your face had less than 400 acne marks.
So you don't like having new subscribers?
No, I do. Let me finish. Yes, I do. Having fans and this many fans is absolutely a joy. It's such a joy. It's overwhelming. It makes my heart just go beep, beep, boop, beep, boop, beep, boop, beep, 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 out of my chest.
If your heart is really making those sounds, I would see a doctor.
Our last question comes from Mr. Chudley Bear.
I think they're a gay bear.
You are a gay bear? Well, that really sucks.
Why?
Because that means that he's a teddy bear, and why would you want to be a stuffed animal?
No, he's like, Steve-O, we've been over this. I explained what a gay bear is, Steve-O.
No, bears are animals, not people.
But there are gay bears which are larger, typically hairy gay men.
Then you just call them big men that are gay. I don't want to hear it. Their question is, Mr. O, are you a pitcher or a catcher? Well, in baseball, I'd have to say I would be
Steve-O,
the
Steve-O,
catcher.
Steve-O, Steve-O.
Because so people get out.
Steve-O!
Ow! What?
We're not talking about baseball!
What are you talking about then?
Sex!
What?
Do you take a dick or do you f*** the ass, Steve-O?
I like to do all of the above and then some.
Oh, so you're versatile.
No, I do not like the word versatile.
You're either a top, bottom, or versatile. Which one are
No,
you?
no. I like to do both.
So you're versatile.
I don't like that word, so I'm not gonna say it. This is the end of our episode, thank God. I'm about ready to pop. If you would like to leave me questions to ask on the next episode of the Mr. O Show, please leave them in the comment box below. Thank you so much for watching. Peace and love. I'm out.
Mr. O.
No.
You want me to play the song?
Yeah, it's not cool unless the song plays. Yeah.
Alright. Even though it's my voice and it's no different, but alright.
Yeah, because it has music to it. Your voice is just acoustic.
This is all I do.
Well, I don't give a shit. It sounds cooler on the computer.
I'm glad I'm getting this all on camera so we can see how much of a
Oh, really?
Do you know how many people said you're a diva in the comments?
I don't give a shit if they call me a diva. They can call me a queen. I don't give a shit.
What about a drag queen?
Oh, I would never.